What if I told you this stunning 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback isn't just a classic, it's a 390 horsepower masterpiece worth $164,995. Wait until you hear it come alive. The 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback is more than just a classic American muscle car. It is a timeless icon reimagined for the modern era. From the moment you lay eyes on its sleek fastback roofline finished in a breathtaking dark blue paint, you instantly understand why this machine commands an incredible $164,995 price tag. Every curve, every chrome accent, and every carefully crafted detail tells a story of performance, passion, and precision. Under the hood sits the heart of this incredible build, a Ford Blueprint 306 cubic inch V8 engine producing an impressive 390 horsepower. This isn't just an engine built for show. It's engineered to deliver thrilling acceleration, razor-sharp throttle response, and the unmistakable rumble that has defined American muscle for generations. Feeding that power is a Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection system, replacing old-school carburetor tuning with modern reliability. Whether it's a cold morning startup or a long highway cruise, this Mustang fires up effortlessly and delivers consistent performance every time. Backing the powerful Blueprint V8 is a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission, making this fastback equally enjoyable whether you're cruising through downtown streets or stretching its legs on an open highway. Power is sent to the legendary Ford 9-inch Posi rear end, equipped with aggressive 3.73. 1 gears. That combination provides excellent acceleration while maintaining comfortable cruising speeds, making every drive both exciting and refined. The soundtrack of this Mustang is just as unforgettable as its appearance. Jet-coated headers improve performance while reducing heat, channeling exhaust gases into a stainless steel exhaust system fitted with MagnaFlow mufflers. The result is a deep, aggressive V8 growl that commands attention without becoming overwhelming. It's the kind of exhaust note that turns heads long before the car comes into view. Performance means little without control, and this Mustang has been transformed far beyond factory specifications. Rack and pinion power steering replaces the original steering setup, providing modern precision and effortless handling. Coil-over suspension, upgraded aftermarket upper and lower control arms, and front and rear sway bars work together to keep the car planted through corners while delivering a comfortable ride. Frame ties add structural rigidity, ensuring the chassis feels solid even under hard acceleration. Stopping power has also received a dramatic upgrade. Power-assisted front and rear disc brakes inspire confidence with every press of the pedal, offering smooth and reliable braking far superior to the original drum brake system. Combined with BF Goodrich radial TC tires wrapped around iconic Magnum 500 wheels, this Mustang delivers both classic style and modern road grip. Up front, the 205/60/15 tires provide responsive steering, while the wider 245/60/15 rear tires help put all 390 horsepower firmly onto the pavement. Visually, the dark blue paint finish is absolutely mesmerizing. Under bright lights or natural sunshine, the glossy finish reflects every contour of the Mustang's legendary body lines. The iconic fastback silhouette remains one of the most recognizable automotive designs ever created, capturing the spirit of speed even while standing still. Factory badging preserves its authentic heritage, while polished chrome accents add just the right amount of elegance without distracting from the car's muscular personality. Open the trunk and you'll immediately notice the attention to detail. Rather than leaving it unfinished like many classic cars, this Mustang features a fully finished trunk complete with carpeting, creating a clean and premium appearance that reflects the quality of the entire build. Looking underneath reveals the same commitment to excellence. The underside has been professionally painted black, creating a clean presentation while protecting the chassis. A new gas tank ensures dependable fuel delivery, while the painted drive shaft adds another subtle touch that showcases the builder's dedication to detail. An electric parking brake provides modern convenience, and the stainless exhaust system runs neatly beneath the car, highlighting craftsmanship from front to back. Inside the cabin, classic Mustang styling meets thoughtful modernization. Black vinyl bucket seats provide a timeless appearance while remaining comfortable for long drives. Black carpeting complements the interior, creating a clean and cohesive look throughout. Between the seats sits a practical center console complete with integrated cup holders, adding convenience without sacrificing the Mustang's vintage charm. Ahead of the driver, upgraded aftermarket gauges provide accurate, easy-to-read information while blending beautifully with the classic dashboard design. A modern aftermarket radio and upgraded speakers bring today's sound quality into a legendary 1960s cockpit, allowing every drive to have the perfect soundtrack. The fold-down rear seat enhances practicality, and seat belts provide added safety, making this Mustang ready for enjoyable weekend adventures or cross-country road trips. What truly separates this 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback from ordinary restored classics is its balance. It preserves the unmistakable style that made the Mustang an American legend while incorporating carefully selected modern upgrades that dramatically improve reliability, performance, comfort, and drivability. Every component has been chosen with purpose, resulting in a machine that looks authentic but performs like a modern muscle car. It's no surprise that collectors and enthusiasts are willing to invest $164, $995 in a build of this caliber. You're not simply buying a vintage Mustang. You're investing in countless hours of craftsmanship, premium performance components, modern engineering, and one of the most iconic automotive designs ever created. This is the kind of car that draws crowds wherever it goes. It dominates local car shows, steals the spotlight at cruise nights, and delivers unforgettable driving experiences every time the ignition key turns. The combination of timeless styling, 390 horsepower performance, premium upgrades, and meticulous attention to detail makes this Fastback one of the finest examples of a modern Restomod. If you could add only one classic American muscle car to your dream garage, this extraordinary 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback would be a difficult one to beat. It represents everything enthusiasts love about vintage Mustangs while eliminating nearly every compromise that comes with owning a classic. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling masterpiece built to be admired, driven, and remembered for generations to come.